Happy Halloween! In case you're wondering what this giant monstrosity is on top of my body, I'm TOCK from Return to Oz! I made this out of cardboard and paper and felt and hot glue. It's falling apart very fast. I don't expect it to last the night, much less the week. This costume has destroyed my home. I wanted to clean up the mess for you, but I just didn't have enough left in me emotionally. But I would love to know how your Halloween is going. I kind of want to make a video next week just about me in this costume of TOCK just trying to live his life. Because everyday things are just so difficult to do. Walking, brushing my teeth, brushing my hair, touching anything, getting through doors, sitting in a chair. It's all proven to be very, very difficult today. Leave a comment down below telling me what kind of normal ass thing you would like to see me do in this costume. If TOCK had to just live his life day to day, what would you like to see TOCK do? Because I have a feeling that it's gonna go very wrong, very bad, but be very funny. I hope you're having a good Halloween, and I'll see you in my next video, okay? Bye! Ugh.